Yeah, good morning viewers and subscribers. You know it's your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Welcome back to another amazing day with Caribbean Vibes and the team. So today we are link up back with Chef Gary again. Boss him have some new for release on the channel. Some French fry chicken foot. So we are going head to head today when we come on to record in the video here. We are going to do some turmeric jerk chicken, some peanut rice. So you know it's gonna be another amazing day. We have some visitor who have visit Jamaica who have come through today. And you know it's the first time actually I go chill with Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. So I'm excited for that, just like how I'm excited to see how the French fry chicken foot are gonna work out today. And I know it's gonna turn out good. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Yeah, people reach from the location. Big up to Chef Gary. Welcome back on the scene, Nadisha. They're going to pick up the rest of the person, then we come back. And it's a two trip. Here's the part of the car and the space capacity. You know, say another epic video today. Chef Gary are going to put out him recipe today out there. French fry chicken food. Eager for taste it. Can't wait. Come pretty good. Come. Yes, people. Clean out the part. What do you have in the shop? What do you have in the shop?
Mush.
Eh?
Mush.
Bush. Yeah. Part clear out now. So go ahead. Well, we're burn out already. I swear. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Prepare ourselves because we don't know if the weather will come today. Gary, the meteorologist said the rain will come. Yes, Mr. Meteorologist. So we are still shooting video in Westmoreland. Yeah. Paradise to be exact, you know, somewhere in paradise. Another hidden beauty again about the outdoor cooking. You know, we always find ourselves in some amazing location, which is very, very awesome when it come on to finding some great spot to shoot video for you guys. So we are preparing ourselves for the rain, you know. Yes, so the cleaning process of the chicken, taking off the unnecessary skin and the slime. After complete cleaning up the chicken, we're going to be washing with some vinegar. Reduce the rawness. Okay, so we just go gently punch some hole in the hip and the leg. And the reason for that, so that the chicken can absorb the marination season. So it's a combination within jerk and turmeric today. So turmeric jerk chicken today. Yes, so I'm actually grating the turmeric. Turmeric smells good. And turmeric is what they use to make curry. Yes, so I'm gonna add some blended marination season, scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, garlic, ginger. I'm gonna add a serving spoon turmeric. So we're adding the turmeric and the jerk season based upon the volume of meat that we're gonna be seasoning. Turmeric is rich in flavor, so I'm not gonna add more than the 1 serving spoon. So we're gonna add some all-purpose season, chicken season, garlic powder, gentle drizzle it all over the chicken, little meat season, and some Eve all-purpose as well. Just a little bit soya sauce, just enough to give the meat a little darker shade. So we're gonna rub. You can smell the turmeric popping with flavor. Yes, man. I'm gonna add just a little bit of turmeric instead of let it go to waste. Gentle rubbing and then leave to marinate.
Yeah man, alright. Now, I'm going to deal with the hot steppers today. You see me I say? That is try fried chicken foot. My recipe, you see me? So, first of all, we are going to boil the chicken foot. So, we are going to make a little stock with the chicken foot. So, you know, so we peel the carrot, you know, dash away skin. The skin can go in a stock. Little scallion. Same way. Yeah. So you know, say you boil chicken foot in here, so we get little flavor same way. Some onion. And you know, say hot steppers, so it will have little spice in it. So I'm going to add some pepper to the stock and make it simmer. And then we add the chicken foot. So, hot steppers, first step please. Make little stock, little chicken foot in.
Yeah, my people, I'm going to add some pimento seed, some cracked pimento seed, 2 stalks of scallion, piece of thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 stick of butter. I'm a person who loves to use garlic. Garlic is very healthy, you know? Make the food nice. Have a lot of health benefit. Yeah, so I'm going to crack the pimentos. I'm going to add a little salt and cover. After covering, I'm going to crack the peanut. And that's how you're going to get the peanut to cook out. So you can actually have less grain in the peanut when you come on to the peanut rice. Because peanut are going to take a lot of time to cook if I just add it in it whole. Just going to cover and crack them in the small mortar right here. So because of how small the mortar is, we just have to just do it in small portions, just crack the peanut. peanut had a lot of flavor and healthy, you know? Just cracking them just a little. So cracking them and adding them into a clean container. And this is how it's looking already.
Alright, yes, Pete. So, pot a boil up. We have it stock. So, next thing we are going to do now is add with chicken foot, right? Now, these chicken foot are my production. You know, they come off of my farm. You know, come like the little chicken foot, them are best dress, sell in a supermarket. You see me? Some nice, big chicken foot. And that's why I prepare them. I already look about them. Anytime I kill fowl, I saw me look about my chicken foot, them clean them up nice and pretty. So, I'm going to add the chicken foot now to a stock. Yeah. And we're going to make this boil for approximately 30 minutes or until they are tender, and then we are going to remove them from the fire. Alright? So we'll make that go and simmer until they tender and remove them. Yeah.
Yes, babes. Welcome to our next great adventure. Yes, me there so happy me pick. As a Tevan said, turmeric jerk chicken with peanut rice and French fried chicken food. But you know, so I not in a capital chicken, so I deal with some ackee and tin mackerel. Yeah man, just go and stick and stay and watch the process.
Yeah people, so water boil up. The next step of adding the peanut all cracked. So we're actually using 1 pound of peanut for roughly about 4 to 5 pounds of rice. So we are going to allow this to boil and the peanut to get more smooth in the water, then we actually wash the rice and add in it. We are tasting for flavor.
Babes, you're getting yours, you know, but a boil up. Peanut rice.
Yeah, wait to get here.
Ah. Peanut rice with beans. Yeah. Beta star.
Use back Rasta Road and now, oh my word! Can't wait to get to that peanut rice today. Peanut rice, French fried chicken foot,
Whoa.
turmeric jerk chicken. You know? Another great video again, my people.
Never get that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat that now.
That one, big up to our visitor, first time chilling with Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog, my people. Really appreciate the support. I tell you, we have supporters all over the world, from Australia, England, Canada, Germany, all over. Yeah, man.
Hello, it's my first time here, and honestly, you all need to try this out. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Good look.
Yeah, adding on the chicken, turmeric jerk chicken.
Why chicken look good and not gonna forget.
Adding them one.
Wow.
Putting them and add space. So we don't want the, them to be crowded.
Yes, people, alright. Now, final thing before we start prepare our hot steppers is we have to make a batter with chicken foot. So we're going to use some flour right here. And you see, I love when time my crust for my chicken well flavorful and crispy. Now, in order to do that, you have to have certain ingredients, right? So I'm going to add a little cornstarch to my flour, right? Little cornstarch to my flour. And if you don't know what cornstarch do, cornstarch hold things together or make it thick. You know, so the cornstarch will help and hold the crust on the chicken and not make it too loose. Alright. Now, the next thing make your chicken have little flake and crispiness is little baking powder. So, the baking powder is one of my raising agents because you have to get that crisp. I love when time I buy chicken and it's crispy. Alright, so the flour now, you have to eat little flavoring and little taste. You can't just have the naked flour like that. So you add a little all-purpose seasoning to the flour, little black pepper. So you know, so the crust where you get from your chicken I go nice. Alright, add a little dry jerk seasoning because as I said, it's hot steppers, but we're not going to make it too spicy because we have kids on the vlog and we want them to taste it too. Next, a little bit of chicken seasoning to the mix. You know, say, as I say, a flour, so all the dry ingredients they have to add. Little garlic powder. If you have onion powder, you can add little onion powder also. And if you have dry herbs like parsley, basil or tarragon, you can add it also. So now we get all our dry ingredients them together, so we just combine them. Just combine them. Make sure say, boy, everything mix out equal. So this is what we're gonna use to coat our chicken foot. Alright. Two things we are going to use. We also have to have an egg wash. So I have 6 eggs here. The proper way to break an egg is you break it in a separate bowl before you add it to your main bowl. That means if you break one egg and it spoil, you can discard it instead of you break everything in a one bowl. If you break everything in a one bowl, you will spoil the good egg. So we're gonna break 6 eggs right here. I know one of the reasons why Jamaican cooking So nice. We love flavor. Love flavor gone to bed. So you see everything what we are look about, we add little flavorings to it. Right? So to the egg batter now, a little touch of pepper. Little touch of salt. Little all-purpose seasoning. Little garlic powder. Alright. And then now I'm gonna beat this. So the egg wash and one of the raisin agent to get that fluffiness from the plate. That fluffiness and that crispiness from the butter from the chicken foot. Alright, so this is what we're gonna use the coat or hot steppers. Alright, so next step, we're gonna remove the chicken foot from the fire in just a minute. Alright, so peeps, we're gonna remove the chicken foot from the stock as they're cooked and now tender. And trust me, this is a very nice and different way to prepare chicken foot. Apart from the traditional Korean chicken foot and using it in soup, this is another nice and exciting way how to prepare chicken foot. Now, I'm going to add little Chef Tevan spice to my chicken foot because it tastes very nice.
Turmeric jerk chicken have a buzz, man. The sauce on it really tastes good. Like you can literally eat it natural stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so I add little Chef Tevan mixture, little chicken seasoning, not too much. Little all-purpose. Alright. And a little pepper. You know what the two peppers we say kids they here. Even though it's called hot steppers. Yeah, nice. And I said if you have herbs, we're gonna toss this up.
If you want to throw away chicken, put them.
Just gonna toss this up right here.
Want to throw away chicken, put them on. Wash up.
Yeah. And as you can see, these are very well coated and nice.
Very well cooked, that's it.
So I'm gonna let these sit for about 10 minutes while my oil is getting hot, and then I'm going to coat them in the flour, then back in the egg wash, then back in the flour and fry them. All right,
and so back in my belly.
All right, this is our last lap for the hot steppers. Now you see me like have a good coating for my chicken, so what I do is coat them in the flour first. Coat them in the flour first. Then egg wash. Sometimes you know you coat your chicken and when you look all like coating with the pan gone. So you know when you do it this way now, you're sure set your coating our steak on it. So flour first, then egg wash, and then flour again. So you get one nice crispy coating. Alright. So double coat it and in our hot oil now. Yeah. Trust me guys. The sorry so no can't go taste it. Wow. Yeah man.
One day you will taste
One
it.
of the best idea this
Yes,
never
sir.
come up with as a chef.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Hot steppers. Fried chicken food.
Caribbean vibe is there, you know, so one day you will have to taste it.
And we are here to
We are
stay.
here to stay.
Yeah.
So I'm just turning the chicken. I'm turning them accordingly. Turmeric jerk chicken today to be exact, you know? And the aroma. Yeah man, it's really amazing. And I don't even actually coat them in the turmeric jerk sauce as yet.
Alright peeps.
Yeah, I know.
Alright peeps, hot steppers ready to come out. Yeah man. Notice the crust.
Oh,
Nice.
yes.
Nice crust. Yeah, funny.
January for this one.
Yeah man, nice crust.
So come on, food for that taste one of them. The capital food.
Yeah. Nice
But
crust.
the common food with that taste one of them,
Yeah.
and tell I look good.
Yeah man, nice man, nice man. And the crust with the funny,
Yeah.
oh crunchy.
Oh my
You see what I say?
word.
Yeah
What's
man.
that? Oh my word.
Yeah man,
Red
hot
fried
steppers
chicken
man.
food, well.
Yeah man, nice
Pretty.
man.
Your
Yeah
chicken
man.
food pretty boy.
But I first batch my people.
Yes, man.
Yeah man, I remember me tell you.
You'll get
Them
the next
nice,
one.
them nice.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Chef Gary.
Chef
the
Gary,
pretty word.
Caribbean Vibe Cooking.
Yes,
You know
sir.
so we are do it and we not stop do it. Success is a must. Never stop trying. Anytime you give up on yourself, you give up on everybody. No, don't give up on yourself. Always try. You see me I say? If you don't try, you will never know. Chef Gary, Caribbean Vibe Cooking, hot steppers, we are do it.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man. Show them pretty man. Oh my word. Chicken food. French fried chicken food.
Yeah.
Jaja, I want me curry it.
Yeah, we have to get to that.
Hot steppers.
Look how witness the French man. Peeps, I remember say the number for Bridget Williams and Rising Star is gonna change tomorrow. So we're not gonna know number. Just, you know, cause a Monday video will come out. So when the new number come out, you will see it Monday morning. So people continue to vote for Bridget Williams and Rising Star. Boom.
Jerk can't be jerk without Jamaican red stripe beer. So we just layer the red stripe beer over the chicken, you know, and it helps to enhance the flavor of the chicken. Also if you add mice to the chicken, and you don't know Jamaican best red stripe beer. Chef Gear they write this off with the French fried chicken foot. Just have to borrow the tongue a little bit. Just to turn the chicken to make sure that it is cooking properly. And as you can see, they are coming on real good, getting good color. Yeah. So I'm gonna make the sauce, sorry now. Just coat them in the sauce because they're almost finished.
Guys, you taste one of the steppers them right now. Feels like hot wings, KFC hot wings. But it is not hot wings, it is hot steppers. This is French fry chicken foot, guys. So we call it hot stepper. Yeah, KFC hot stepper. Better Gary, look up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Bad man,
No.
them bad.
We don't really eat them like this. I will make a sauce for it. You know? It goes nice with the sauce. But it goes nice like this same way.
Yeah.
And I say it's supposed to be spicy because the hot stepper is the name. But because we have kids, we have just lessen down from the spice.
What's
You
that
know, but
one
I tell you,
take a
say, it's crunchy and nice.
No.
Very crunchy and nice.
I want to tell him, say, I know KFC hot steppers. It's Caribbean vibes, hot steppers.
Steppers, yeah.
Not KFC.
Damn it,
Yeah.
It's Caribbean, it's Caribbean vibes, hot steppers,
Yeah.
not KFC hot steppers. If it was the captain, if it was the command, if it was the command for food, I would eat it, but we
When
don't.
Devon making the sauce.
Yeah, so as Gear was explaining, guys, it goes good with a sauce, but I'm gonna make enough sauce
Yeah.
so it can split both way for the jerk, the turmeric jerk chicken
And the hot
the, and the hot steppers.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Nice crunch.
French fry, hot peppers. Caribbean
See
vibes.
there, make your way. Help yourself.
Let's take up one of them.
Yeah, just take up one of them. No stranger when you come on the Caribbean Vibes cooking.
Yeah, Chef Barry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The crust is just right.
No, nice for fun.
I come on hot piece of chicken.
It's lovely.
Favorite.
That is chicken foot.
That's chicken foot.
You like it?
Soft and nice. Yes.
Good job, Chef Gear.
That's all.
Well done. No boy, I go love it. No boy, I love chicken cook.
So the chicken foot make you run out of words. See?
Oh my word.
Well,
Caribbean vibes to flipping world. To Judah.
can't talk. Chef D can't get into it, so me have to get into it.
How you be?
Lovely.
Ask the question.
How it is?
Guys, this is amazing.
Oh.
It is really nice and crunchy.
What is it?
That's the
It's crunchy and nice.
German Jamaican speaking.
Hot.
Crunchy and nice favorite. What's the bird? It's a friend for me.
It's a crunch from
Clean them on.
They come do.
Mom, we can eat food.
It's already done. It's already. You got kids a peanut.
Yeah.
It's already.
Peanut complement the rice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's already. It's already done.
Team Caribbean vibes. Fully. Fully out.
Yeah?
Yeah, my people, so right now I'm gonna make the turmeric jerk sauce. I'm gonna add just a little bit of turmeric. So I'm using some of Chef Geary chicken foot stock. Also gonna use some of my blended marination. And it already had flavor already, it's full of flavor. I'm gonna use a serving spoon of jerk marination to it. So we're gonna add just a little splash of soya sauce, turmeric jerk sauce. Also we're gonna add some fresh orange juice. You know I like to add pineapple or orange juice to the sauce. Tend to bring out the flavor a lot in the sauce. So we're gonna allow this to boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes because the turmeric is natural. It haven't processed, so we need to get the turmeric cooked. Yeah, so after the sauce boil for 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna be adding one of my favorite towards the sauce. So we're enhancing the flavor of the sauce by using some honey. So we're adding 3 serving spoons of honey to the sauce. Yeah, so we're gonna allow this to boil for another 5 minutes again. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of ketchup to it. And the ketchup is optional. You can use just a little cornstarch just to thicken the sauce a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a little tomato ketchup to it.
Alright, Mr. Chin not there, Chin not there today. You got to taste the food. Sauce. Peeps, if you're not busy, you can jump up a Ferris River. Yeah, man. Nice. Watch out, I'm put that over. I put on my ackee down.
So we're gonna add the tomato ketchup. We're gonna add roughly 2 serving spoons of ketchup. Now, we don't want to overpower the sauce with the tomato ketchup. Just enough just to change the sauce just a little bit. Yeah, so we're adding just a little bit of tomato ketchup. We're not gonna add too much, so we're not gonna overpour it because we still want the sauce to maintain the level of the turmeric and the jerk towards it. So it's just enough just to thicken the sauce just a little bit. Yeah, my people, sauce completed. So I'm gonna just gently toss the chicken back into the sauce. Just gonna allow them to dry just a little bit.
You can hear father giant cheer. Yeah, man. Father giant cheer.
Adding them. Sauce smells good. Sauce also tasting good. You can taste the flavor of the turmeric, the jerk, and also the ginger, garlic, herbs and spices tasting real good. Just adding them for another minute or 2. We just want them just to dry just a little bit. We don't want them to dry up where they're too dry. There's the sauce we're basing it on it. Big up to Chef Gary. History in I'm making again, my brother. I want thanks for linking up with Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Really appreciate when you come through, bro. Share the knowledge, you know? Somebody jump in, man. Dog, somebody jump in and help, my brother. Add the sauce. You want sauce on it? You want sauce on it?
Yes, please, as you can see, a fair rain. The ship come in and land. When fair rain fall, so we have to just do what we have to do. That's what the thing said. Oh, fully active.
You know when they come on to Jamaicans,
And rain.
in any situation, we're making nice.
Yeah.
Caribbean Vibes Cooking,
Yes, man.
sauce in a one hand, rum in a one hand.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Fully active.
very important to take care of our guests.
Yes, man.
Thank you.
Hold the
Rain
bag.
or shine, Caribbean vibes always out. Yes, man. You pull it.
Can I go play?
Listen.
Come.
Oh, are they eating food? Are they? You have to ask them. What is them?
The food is nice, it's very delicious.
Listen.
Honestly, chicken bad.
Yes.
Wow.
Chicken foot. Chicken foot.
It is really nice.
If you have a restaurant that serve them and food them. Enough money for them and food them.
You try it?
Yeah, guys. Rain or fall, we have a lot to give God thanks to our person visiting the channel for the first time enjoying the food. So the thing what I'm amazed about the food today, the turmeric, jerk chicken, the peanut rice, thumbs up, Chef Caribbean Vibes and the team. Big up to Chef Jerry for coming through, Dog, Nadisha, everyone come out always showcase how Caribbean Vibes cooking our way, orchestrate our cooking, you know, and to get people reaction when they come onto the phone. It's priceless. That's all I can say.
Yeah, pigs come like they don't want me eat. Everybody eat and me not eat no watch out. I know my pot can't finish cook. Everybody cook. Everybody eat. I mean I eat. But that's how I go. As Caribbean Vibes, we flipping world. I take time and go and look about me.
Well,
Tim Macmillan happy.
well, dog, when they come on to food, you need to open your palate more when they come on to food.
Yeah.
Coming out to your life, everything today shot.
Yeah.
Everything is shot 100%. Me not tell no lie. The chicken foot, the peanut rice.
Yeah.
Trust me, the sauce,
Fully
everything
active.
nice,
Fully
fully active. You couldn't ask for a better Sunday dinner. Today, everything nice.
Yes,
Can't complain. Yeah man, nice.
100%.
One more time, Caribbean vibe. One more time, lovely. Very class. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Beat up the notification bell every time.
One tip one.
Want the boat?
Let's step on this.
Little J to flipping world. Oh my word! My food ready. Tin mackerel with ackee and peanut rice. A week this one police are looking for it. What is the food a weekly police are looking for it? Caribbean Vibes. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Fully active. Out.
Yeah, my people, it was a great day, and our visitor actually have to make it back home, so we're actually finishing up the vlog so she can make it to the airport safe. Thanks you for coming through. Really appreciate the support. Big up to Team Caribbean Vibes, Rasta, Pack Up, Princess. Have a safe journey back home. Really appreciate you coming through, and hope to see you next time. Hope to see you soon on the Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog channel.
Thanks a lot, the pleasure was mine.
And you enjoy yourself?
Yes,
Enjoy
it
the
was
food?
great, it was great.
All right.